Be Saki. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with the first half of the choreography. So we're gonna take both our hands. We're gonna whack it behind. 1, 2, 3, and pull. Easy. Once more. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and pull. From here, we're gonna step our right leg. We're gonna do a 1, 2, 3, kick, left, right, left, kick. So what did I do? Let's start from beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and pull. 1, 2, 3, and kick. 1, 2, 3, and kick. When I kick over here, the right leg, I'm going to bring this right leg together with my left leg, and I'm going to do a namaste on top. From here, I'm going to do 2 waves. We're going to do a 1, 2, 3, 4. So the second wave, I almost sit down, like there are 2 levels, 1 and 2. So after doing these 2 levels, I do a shimmy with your hip, and you're going to bring your right leg forward, drop your head and drop. Okay, so let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and pull. 1, 2, 3, hey, 1, 2, 3, hey, wave and shimmy and drop and up. So the second part, okay, so it goes मैं तेरी आँखों का साहिल. Okay, so what I have done? I have done up, chest, up, and so I have done a hip, 1, 2. From here, you're going to go ahead, you're going to open your legs up wide and you're going to drop your head forward. मैं तेरे. From here, you're going to do a right chest, left chest. Okay, let's go from the beginning of this section. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and मैं तेरे आँखों का साहिल, मैं तेरे दिल के ही काबिल. If I mess up the lyrics, just forgive me, my Hindi is not great. Okay, then from here you're gonna take your right leg. तू मुसाफिर मैं तेरी. So what I did, I slid my right leg and pointed my right hand, went towards the left side. So तू, now make a small flower. Musafir, step your right leg forward. मैं तेरी. From here you do 2 hip circles. Circle, 1, 2, 3, and. So let's go from the starting. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, chuck, boom, chuck. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, flower, wave, together, circle. 1, 2, 3, and. So certain steps I'm going to make it a little easier for you so that you can learn it easily at home. Okay. So let's go to the next section. So now I'm going to go to the third section. So you have done 1, 2, and you're going to do 4 hip hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here you're going to kick your right leg. Okay, it's a small kick. 1, 2. Your hand is going to be extended out. You're going to do a 1, 2. Now you'll transfer your weight towards the right foot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, and na. Easy. From here you're going to do something called a catch, head, feel, drop. Okay, what is it? Catch, head, feel, drop. So what did I do from here? I have done a 1, 2, 3. Now this right leg will go forward. Catch, head, feel your own body and drop your right hip. Drop. Now you circle over your left shoulder. Circle and you bring your right hand forward and left hand up. Now you're going to do a right hip in, left hip in. So it's a bit complicated, this section, so I'm going to do it again. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Catch, head. Now you can move your head, feel, drop, turn, point, inhale, inhale. So our last position was in and in. From here we'll go ahead. You're gonna do a O sharabi kya sharabi. When I do this, I also move my legs and my body and my hair. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. O sharabi kya sharabi dil. Right leg first step. Make just ke left leg. Now bring my right leg ahead. Shoulder, shoulder, shimmy, drop, up, drop, up. Okay. From here I'm going to do 2 waves forward, right, and now when I do my second wave, I'm also doing a shoulder shimmy. 1, tap. So let's go from here slowly. Okay, do it along with me. 5, 6, 7, and O sharabi kya sharabi dil mein jiske gum na ho. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, shimmy and. So we have almost reached the last part of the choreography, and this is the main hook step, which is everyone liked. Okay, so you're gonna do a 1, 2, shimmy, and you're gonna hit your own hip. 1, 2, shimmy up and drop. So let's do it again. Your own hip. Okay, hit, hit, ta-da-da, tap. From here you're gonna do a right, left, right, tap, right, left. Once more. 5, 6, 7. Sakhi, sakhi, re, sakhi, sakhi, ta-da-da, tap. So what I have done, my legs were wide apart. I have just jumped and brought it together. When I bring it together, there's a small wave. 1, 2. From here, I move towards my left side and also use my hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you'll turn over your left shoulder. Cross your hands. 1, 2, shimmy, and you do a big clap. Boom. And you will repeat the step. 1, 2, 3, cha. 1, 2, 3, cha. From here, you're going to do a wave, wave, stick. Let's do from the beginning. Okay, 5, 6, 7. So we have done 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, hey, ta-da-da, ta. 1, 2, 3, ta. 1, 2, 1 and in. Circle and circle and 1, 2, shimmy and clap. 1, 2, 3, hey. 1, 2, 3, hey. From here I'm doing a 1, 2, 3 and drop. So basically everything is over. Now you're gonna just have fun. Either you do the last pose or you can do the Nora Fateh step. It's your choice, guys. So have fun with it. We have done आपस आ रह न जाए कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी. You can turn and pose, or from here right and left shimmy and pose. You can do that, or you can do a 1, 2, 3 chuck. 1, 2, 3, and you can do the drop. From here you do a 1, 2, 3 chuck. 1, 2, 3 chuck. This is if you want to get experimental or try a hard step. Otherwise just end it at 1, 2, 3 and 4, or 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay guys, so let's do the whole thing from the beginning in 2 separate chunks. Just follow along with me. I'm going to go slow so you can repeat and revise whatever you learned till now. Okay, so let's go. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and pull. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. Wave and shimmy and 1, 2, mid, tiri, chest, hip and 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 2. So let's do the second half. Almost done. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk, walk. 1, 2, shimmy and 1. Hip, 2, hip. Wave and shimmy and 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. Hip, 1, 2. Wave and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross and shimmy. Tap. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and feel and feel. Drop. Right, left. 1 and drop. 1, 2, 3. Hip. 1, 2, 3. Hip. If you don't want to do this, and the easier version is 1, 2, shimmy and pose. Okay guys, so I hope you learned something from the routine. We are looking forward to watching all your dance videos. So please upload on Instagram hashtagging Dance with Team Nach. We're going to share some of the best videos on our Instagram platform, as you know we always share. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Team Nach. Stay safe, stay home guys. We need to get out of this all happy and well. Bye.